Cobra Therapy. (2013, 2014) Shelby GT500 family. Also to my Mustang family. What we have here on the table today is some L&M. This is the Ford GT timing chain kit. A timing kit, I should say, for the 2005-2006 Ford GT. So, the reason why I got these items here is because 2013, 2014, or I should say 2007 all the way up to 14, they use an 8mm chain. The Ford GT 2005-2006 uses a 10mm chain. So the 10mm chain is stronger than the 8mm chain, so that's why I'm going with the set. These covers here, valve covers here, the regular ones that come on the 13-14 won't work because you have this bump out right here. This bump out is for all these bigger pieces for the motor. So yes, these goddamn things cost hella money from L&M, but you need this bump out here because your factory ones will not work. So this is what we're doing. We're trying to get this motor right, doing it the right way with these things. Ooh, Charlie. They bag all of this stuff up real well. L&M Motors. You know what I'm saying? Guides. They got everything here. Crank gear. But you know I gotta go with Boundary. Gotta go with Boundary, the best out there. So yeah, this is a short video. Just letting you know that this is the 5.4 liter timing kit for the 2005-2006 Ford GT that also works with 13-14 Shelby GT500s. The last of the real Shelbys, by the way. So therefore, that's it for this video. And like we used to say, and like we still like to say, Cobra Therapy, Chi-Town. We out.